Another great property offered by the Pimentel Group of Long and Foster. We strive to serve our real estate audience with the highest level of commitment, whether you are buying or selling a home. This home is just another one of our many offerings. Enjoy semi-private adult active community living in northern Bel Air, convenient to all. Manageable, affordable and spacious enough for continued entertaining. This end-of-group villa home offers the convenience of location and comfort of one-floor living without having to sacrifice space. Enter comfortably and safely through your spacious two-car garage featuring wooded ramp for zero-step entry. Combination living room, dining room boasting soaring cathedral ceilings and double-sided gas fireplace lending to dense sunroom for additional private living. Open kitchen with separate breakfast area enjoys lots of morning natural light, 42 inches cabinets, newer appliances, and pantry. Enjoy your private rear-facing master suite with walk-in closets and convenient double shower with bench. Ample second bedroom. Sunlit breakfast area with sliders to rear deck, screened and porch including